Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to contact the system administrator or the IT administrator of your company if you are using an organization managed computer. But if it is your home computer and you just left an organization, then the only solution is to reset Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything. Okay, and then select cloud download and then click on next to initiate the cloud download process. And once it is downloaded from the cloud, I mean it's not the local copy, then you will be able to use Windows as it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.